My name is Brad Hall. Today I'm going to teach you how to play Runaway by Kanye West on piano. It's an easy version of the song. It's perfect for beginners. And a little bit about myself as a piano player. I started playing as soon as this song came out in 2010. I fell in love with it and I had to learn it, so that's what I've been doing since it came out, and you're going to hear that version today, and I hope you learn how to play it just like I do. So let's get into it. It's an easy version for beginners. And here we go. Making our way around. First things first, you're at the piano. You're going to find the opening key of the song. It's 13 over from the right or 40 over from the left. So do whichever is easier for you. I'm going to go from the right. Found it, and just give it a little ring. There it is. Listen to that. That's the note we're going to start with. There it is. So that's our starting note, and now let's get into the song. So the intro starts with 15 of those. Let's do that now. Then he's playing other notes, but that's a little bit advanced. This is the easy version. Just let it ring out. Just wait your turn too, and then you're going to let it ring. Here we go. A little bit off on that one. There it is. That's nice. Such a fun song to play. So that was an easy version of Kanye West's Runaway on piano. I hope you pick it up quickly, because as soon as you do, you're never going to want to stop playing it. I know I love playing it at parties, and people love listening to it, I think. Now, I should have intermediate and advanced versions of this song soon. Please come back and check them out, and until then, it was nice playing for you.